Alright guys, today we have a 2016 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. I'm gonna show you what you guys need to be able to complete this oil change. Let's get started. So underneath there is a little skid plate that is protecting the oil filter, and you're gonna need a number 5 hex to be able to take that off. Of course, you need your wrench. You're gonna need an extension to reach that oil filter, and you're gonna need the 64mm oil cap for these Toyotas. For the oil drain plug is going to be a 14mm. Now let me go ahead and show you the location of both. Right up the front, you will see where the oil filter shield is, and then here we have the oil filter housing. It's a little deep in there, that's where you will need the extension. Now further back on the passenger side, this is where the oil drain plug is, and it's a 14. Now let's go inside and reset the oil life. So we're gonna turn on the battery like so on the on position. So we're gonna focus on this dashboard here. This is where on the right side here there's an odometer/trip button that we're gonna use to reset this. So let me just set this up here. So you see how it switches from odometer, trip A, trip B. So we're gonna go to trip A and we're gonna hold it down. We're gonna turn off the car. We're gonna turn the battery back on, resetting maintenance data. So this is good. So now it has been reset. That's all it takes. Turn on the car. No more oil life. Good luck.